Okay, so I'll take over now. Let me.
So
Uh,
22.
okay, okay. 22. Hmm.
21.
21. Okay. All right. So let me try it out. Now, when we speak of zeros at the end, that would come from tens. We get a zero at the end when we multiply by 10. All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
And
Sir, I
Yes,
think
sir.
24.
24. Parth says 24.
No, sir, Sambhav.
Sambhav, sir.
Sambhav, okay. All right. Sambhav says 24, and I think he's right. So a 10 would consist of a 2 and a 5, right? So in this product here, there is an abundance of 2's, right? 2 will give us 1 2, then after that 4 will give us 2 2's. So 2 की कमी नहीं है, right? अगर हमें कमी पड़ेगी तो हमारे पास 5 की कमी पड़ सकती है. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you are
Yes, sir.
deficient, you will be deficient on 5s. So we will count the number of 5s available with us. So that will tell us how many zeros are available for us. Because for every 5, another 2 will be available to make a 0. So let us count the number of multiples of 5 till 100. To count the number of multiples of 5 till 100, we just have to divide 100 by 5. So there are how many multiples?
20.
20 multiples. All right. Now, every one of these 20 multiples will give us a 5. Agreed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, there will be some numbers which will also be a multiple of 25. Right? Now, these numbers have two 5s with them. There are 4 such numbers, 25, 50, 75, and 100 itself. And they have one additional 5 with them. 1 5 we have already counted when we counted this 20. So there was another 4 5s which we had not counted earlier. So that makes it 24 5s. But if this number was greater than 125, then we would also have considered 125, which has 3 5s. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yeah.
we got 20 numbers, and sir, which numbers have 2 5s in them?
The numbers which are multiples of 25. 25 is 5
50,
into 5.
75, and 100.
Yes, 25, 50, 75, and 100. So they have 2 5s with them, right? All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
So there are a few
Yes,
things
sir.
that we learn from this question. One is that, let us say if I want to find out the number of multiples of 3 from 1 to 100. So what will I do? I will divide 100 by
3.
3,
Sir, can
right?
you repeat what you
So I'll
said?
get, if I want to find out the number of multiples of 3 from 1 to 100, so I'll divide 100 by 3 and I get what? 33 and 1 by 3. Agreed? So I'll ignore this decimal part or the fractional part and I'll go with the integer part. So there will be 33 multiples of 3 from 1 to 100. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now my question is, how many multiples of 3 or 5 how many multiples of 3 or 5 are there from 1 to 100? First, how many multiples of 3 or 5 are there from 1 to 100?
32.
32.
32.
53. 53.
53. Okay.
33.
53.
33.
33.
53.
53.
Okay.
Sir, I said
Okay.
53.
All right.
53.
So you remember the discussion that we had when we were doing some counting in the mental ability class, wherein we discussed
Sir,
that
okay, sir.
if there are two sets, let this be the first set is a multiple of 3. So you say there are 33 elements in this set, right? And the second is multiple of 5. You say there are 20 elements in this set. Some of them will be common, right? So you have counted at both the
47.
places,
47.
right? So which are the numbers which are common? The multiples of
Sir, 50 multiples of
15.
15.
Yes. So divide 100 by 15 to find out the multiples of
47.
15.
sir.
How
Total 47 हो जाएंगे.
100 over 57 will be? 15 will be
6. So the
6.
whole number.
6.
All right. So 53 minus 6 gives us 47. All of you understood?
7.